No, no, stop. What happened to the 11 years ago? Arrête. Dis-moi, what happened to the 11 years ago?
Votre anniversaire de rencontre. Yay!
Yeah. Turn around and say good morning.
Good morning.
Turn around.
Good morning.
Yes, on this day, 11 years ago, this family started. Guys, please go over to my Instagram, 1876 moy. We post one reel over there yesterday. Me and Moy and Maya used to having a ball in the Friday evening. We won a party, giving thanks and praise, a brand new day for the weekend. So come out and celebrate with us today, as we celebrate our anniversary today.
À la douche.
Hmm. 11 years after, who did it again?
Allez.
Who you know?
Quoi?
11 years after, who did it again?
Ah oui, we never plan so yeah, never do it. If me know, maybe you cannot do it.
Me too.
Oh, you got trouble maybe full life. Allez.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see the big McDo side back of me with their McDonald's. So we're having lunch at McDonald's today. Matthew's making the order and I'm sitting out here waiting on them to come back. Today is our 11th year anniversary. Today has been 11 years since we've met. We're not really celebrating because we have no babysitter to keep Jamoy and Maya. So we'll celebrate, but with the kids. Stick around, wish us a happy 11th year. And please remember to follow us on Instagram at 1876 moy. That 1876 MOY. And join in on the fun. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please remember to subscribe. Leave us a comment. See you around.
Regarde.
You sit down and wait for your food and all know your food can't come. Jamoy? Jamoy, you hungry?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, it's done gone now.
Bon, t'en as pas besoin là. Moi c'est parce que j'avais le soleil, il faisait chaud. Genre moi c'est une grosse veste, regarde.
Wow. Maya, you want kangaroo baby? That's the only kangaroo I know them parents them put in a little pocket in front of them. And Mimi, look at me. Mimi, look at me. Oui, I'm a baby kangaroo. She just slide in her father jacket so. Baby kangaroo. Baby kangaroo, Maya. So what after feels like about 2 hours of waiting, food finally come. Blue cheese and bacon, that's you, Matthew? This is mine. This is Jamoy. Try Jamoy.
La dit. La dit,
Ouais, ça c'est. Fais voir. Non, ça c'est ta maman.
Ça?
Ah, non, ça c'est toi.
Ah ouais, ça c'est moi. Ça m'a fait chicken bacon onion. Bon appétit tout le monde.
Bon appétit. Ça fait une grande vite.
Let me see what you do.
Moi, je connais le grand guide. Je connais, mais j'ai jamais fait. Après,
Après, on va à 3. Alors, 3. C'est celui-là.
je sais.
Voilà. Il faut le plier.
So I finish my food, you must still eat.
Comme ça et comme ça. Et lui, il va. Alors, tu le mets sur les pieds. Et lui, ça va. Ça va là.
Sinon, c'est pas bien.
Après, celui-là, il va de l'autre côté.
Celui-là, il va de l'autre côté. Et les yeux, je sais.
Jamoy, you don't want any more? Jamoy.
Les yeux, je
Jamoy. Come finish eating burger.
Les yeux, je les mets.
Let me see my look now. Ah, we didn't do that. Ah, no. A mignon like your name. C'est trop mignon.
Et,
Mignon in France meaning cute. In French meaning cute. And it's too cute like the bunny in your hand. In his hand. Chamaya.
Vos ceintures.
So why you never video me? That no, cause something like that when I love it. Me a singing and me sleep when I love it that time.
Yeah, but you're not sing like you're not stop sing. But you do.
Oh, my sound good.
Like if you do a party.
That me could have produced record. Next time you hear me talking in my sleep, you record it so I can't hear you.
What?
Like anytime you hear you snoring in your sleep, I can record it. Although me do it early so you know. I need my papi. Now we are at the fish and vegetable supermarket, and I just saw something that I've never seen in France. Dasheen. Dasheen. Let me show you guys. Dasheen. Although I'm not eating dasheen, but finally found dasheen here in France. And cassava. Cassava has been always here, but dasheen is the first time I'm seeing dasheen here. So I'm gonna buy banana for tonight, for tomorrow's dinner, and sweet, yeah, and plantain, maybe say, and sweet potato. I like sweet potato, so I'll buy sweet potato. Guys, I just bought the cutest thing ever. Look at this. 3 little cats to represent my babies. One keyring with 3 little cat pan. Represent my babies, Jamoy, Maya, and Alex. Isn't that so cute? You like it, Jamoy?
Yeah.
I love it. 3 little cats. Thank you, dear. And a keyring.
Et t'as pas besoin d'appuyer fort. Hein. En fait, t'as juste besoin d'appuyer fort. Regarde. T'appuies bien au milieu. Regarde. N'appuie pas plus. Fais-la sonner. Appuie un peu ici. Tu vois? Regarde. Appuie un peu plus fort. Voilà. Mets-toi un peu plus au milieu. Tu vois, dès que t'es au milieu, ça passe mieux. Allez, on s'entraîne comme ça. Allez, attends. Mets-toi bien, regarde. Regarde, ton doigt il est pas droit.
Alright, I'm gonna stop
Ton
then
droit,
camera
ton droit,
shy.
ton-
And I'm here cooking dinner. We haven't had soup in a long time. And since it's beginning to get cold, I thought to myself this is the perfect time to cook some soup. Some good old Jamaican beef soup with red peas in it. So we have turnip, carrot, pumpkin, corns, beef. I wanted to put a little bit of pigtail in there, but the children don't like pigtail. They said there's nothing to eat on pigtail, so there's no pigtail in this. And I put some corn in it. I'm going to put in my Irish now. And then the dumplings. But this is dinner for today. How many of you put corns in your red pea soup? Comment down in the comment section and tell me how many of you guys put corn in your red pea soup. Because I know a lot of people said that corn aren't supposed to put in red pea soup, but I do. I love corns and I put it in the red pea soup. My soup is coming on nicely. Look at that. Just need to simmer down some more. The only thing missing from this pot now is some slices of yellow yam and the scotch bonnet pepper on top. I don't have any scotch bonnet pepper, so I put a little bit of jerk seasoning in it. And the yam, well, the yam, I don't have anything to substitute the yam, so I just have to do without the yam. But this is my soup for today. The children is gonna love it. You sound like you sound to come somewhere from Clarendon. And Clarendon people, every time you try to chat patois Jamaica, if you want to say you're the worst another patois, like you chat patois so bad, so they look like you invent patois, then say, you chat bad man a Clarendon you come from or whatever, but then I'll use Clarendon as example or country.
Country.
They say, oh you chat patois. That's what I say so. So this me did not want to say a while ago. When I see people go so, and them I always want to try that, even though I don't know I should know wine.
You go so, look. After you see the alcohol on the side.
Ah, that they look for. What must you then go so?
Yeah, you go so.
Ah, okay.
You turn it.
Alright.
So, and then you see and you see how it drop down.
Yeah.
Nice so good. You see now, so you look in the, and you look.
So when it drop down so, a good wine?
If you drop too
And then
too fast.
we go so. You see then close my eyes that mean.
To smell it?
No, yeah, then go so. And close their eyes, what that mean? But then go so.
Yeah, the smell.
And close their eyes. But then always do that like
Yeah, to smell the different perfume and everything.
so you have to close your eyes?
It depends on the grade. But you test it or
No? Ça va?
De rien, Mimi.
Ah, mamie, un coco là.
What?
Vous avez pas le droit. Et toi, normalement, tu dois pas boire de l'alcool.
Yeah, but we are celebrating now, Maya.
C'est notre 11e année de rencontre.
Vous venez à peine de vous rencontrer.
Ah oui?
C'est vrai?
If it was not for this day, you wouldn't exist.
Je n'existe pas.
Non, s'il n'y avait pas eu cette journée-là, tu n'existerais pas. S'il n'y avait pas eu le jour où on s'est rencontrés avec mon but, bah, tu n'existerais pas. Il est bon celui-là. Ils sont bien ici.
11 years down,
Non,
How much more left?
Start. Yeah.
much more left.
Regarde là.
Quelle banane.
I want things when I put little down at that doll.
Non.
Maman,
On a dit,
regarde.
fait vite.
Maman, tu préfères lequel entre lui et lui?
Louis.
Lequel?
Louis?
Lui.
Louis. No, it's not bad at all, at all, at all.
Non, c'est bon ça. Have you finished this vlog? Let this vlog finish. This day pass again and then see you the next one. Bye bye.
So we had an amazing day yesterday, even though we didn't do anything much more than what y'all saw in this video. So I'm just coming on here to end today's vlog, and just want to thank you guys for sticking around and for watching this video. Bye bye.